Hello everyone. I thought I would do another video here. Today is going to be a pretty good day. Being the 6th, the message of this video will be the key to peace lies with you. And where I got the inspiration from the title is various things that I wear, either a shirt or in this case, little jewelry. It's a key to, honestly, I have no idea what, but that's not the purpose. As you can see, it has little peace signs on it. Little peace signs. And it's a key. So that's where I got it from. The key to peace lies with you. Now, whether this be inner peace or outer peace, you have the power to make a change. As you have the power to decide whether or not you will be happy. If someone in your workplace, or in your home, or at a group you go to, or a group of friends, if they're in a really bad mood, a really negative position, you have the power to tell yourself, okay, I'm not going to absorb their negativity. I'm not going to absorb that bad energy. What I am going to do, I decide to be positive right now. I'm going to be in a good mood, and I'm going to remain positive. So I choose to have a great day today. That's what you can decide. That's the first step to make a conscious choice. This is the process I've observed in my life. The next step would be to find ways to bolster it. Now, there are ways of doing this, whether it be you're with your coworkers or friends. If you're alone, you can find a song that you like individually that makes you dance or makes you smile or makes you sing along, that boosts your mood. If you're in a group, same thing, but just a song that everybody can jam to. And they can take like a small 1-minute break to be like, yeah, this is awesome. Another good thing is either food. That's a really good mood booster. And it can make you feel really happy, and you find that you could be more at peace with those around you, meaning emotionally, and the day's events will go by really smooth. So you'll be at a happier, more peaceful state among not only yourself internally, with your emotions and in your heart, but you'll also be peaceful amongst the others. Okay, so this is how it goes back to peace. Also, another good indicator, another good factor to raise your mood is humor. Tell a really funny joke, or if someone else tells a really funny joke, you will notice that it instantly raises the mood of everybody. Everyone's happier. So that's something you can do to instantly raise your vibrations, your mood. And so that's more for internal peace amongst you and others. As for external peace, you do have the power. And I will demonstrate what we can do to advocate for peace. Peace on this earth. Peace amongst our communities. I will do it by making a video of me calling my senators, the New York senators, and advocating for, I'm planning on advocating for dismantling of all U.S. nuclear warheads for the purpose of the continuation of global peace. We need to dismantle all nuclear weapons because they're a grave threat to humanity. And instead, we need to focus more on peaceful, charitable love towards our allies and to non-threatening deal with enemies or adversaries. So I will be making a video for that, showing you that I have the power, you have the power to make a difference in this world, to advocate for peace. This is our chance. This is our time. This is our time right now. We can and will make a difference together. So won't you, everyone out there, stand with me, call our governments, and advocate not only for the dismantling of all weapons, of all nuclear weapons, but the advocation of loving your neighbor, of showing compassion and love to our neighbors, and for advocating peace amongst our adversaries. So my brothers and sisters, thank you for watching this video, and look forward to that video that I said I would put up. Me calling my senators and advocating for this. Thank you. And I hope you will join me again in the next video. Peace to you all.